Hello, what's going on, guys? A quick one. This BTC USDT. All right. A quick one here. Just a quick analysis on BTC USDT. So let's start from the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what do we see? We see a very strong level of supports here and a resistance pushing price up and pushing price up, price up here, push price up here. So we see a strong level of rejection within this area, and then BTC at this moment has gone to this level of rejection. So we saw this level of rejection here. So price is reacting from this level of, and if you zoom closely to that level, what do we see? We see a level of what? Imbalance and order block. You can see that this candle is an order block. Why? Because it has what? Inefficiency below. So this is what makes this candle an order block. And above it, what do we have? We also have what? A valid order block as well. You can see that this candle is also an order block, but then you can see it has been properly filled. And you can see that there has been a transfer of liquidity from this imbalance candle, from this order block to this what? This huge bullish candle. And then what do we have here? We have a very strong level of what? Rejection on this level. You can see how price has tested this level in the past and have respected it. So this is what we are seeing here on the daily time frame. Right now, we don't have any kind of harmonic pattern on the daily time frame. But if you go to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, we that's when we begin to see some a kind of pattern that the price is actually making. So forgive me, guys. I have a very strong network at this moment. My network is very very strong. So my network is very okay. Yeah, network is back stronger. So on the 4 hour time frame, that's when we begin to see some kind of a pattern or a kind of a structure that the price is creating while on this here. So what do we see? We see a break of structure here, and then we see a lot of what inefficiency and other block below. And then you can see that price have tested this level in the past. Can see how price have if we move this guy a little bit up, you can see that this is a very strong level of resistance, and price have broken through that level, and then price is retesting that level of resistance. And not just that, it's retesting it. We also have a valid what order block. This is an order block. We have an imbalance below, and you can see how price have respected that imbalance. And then if you look at it, we have a valid what bat pattern, a very valid bearish bat pattern, and all the ratios are in check. The S to D measurements of 0.5 checked. 0.5 is very very perfect, and then the S to A and this SAB. So we look at the S to A and the A to B measurement of the C point. We are looking at 0.382, and that is approximately very close, an error of 0.5 percent. So this is approximately 0.382 measurement, and it's very perfect on there. So we're looking at the measurement of B to C of the D leg, which is the potential reversal zone. We are looking at 2.2 measurements. We look at two measurements. Let me put in that 2.24. We're looking at 2.24, and we're looking at 2.0 measurement, 2.24 and 2.618. 2.618 on there. So we're looking at bat pattern. We're looking at bat pattern, looking at, you see how those measurements close within a very strong level of approximation. So we're looking at 2.268. You can see if you zoom into that place, you can see that we have a very strong level of 2.268. So let me just zoom into that level. You can see how price have tested, price respected. It didn't go above 2.618, which is the maximum measurement, but you can see how price tested 2.24, which is the minimum measurement you're looking at on the measurement of the ratio. But the most important measurement you are also looking at is the what S to A measurement of the S to D leg. So we want this level to be at 0.886, but I don't know. Let me check S to A measurements. S to A, we are looking at 0.886. So if you toss in 0.886 on that level, or let me just remove this guy. Let me just remove this guy for this moment. So if you toss in 0.886, what do we see? Okay, the green line is 0.8. I see that price did not get to 0.886, but it respected 0.786, which is still very, very valid. Okay, so that's that on that level. And then this is bad pattern. If you go to a lower time frame, say 30 minutes time frame, you will see that we're also having a valid what Gartley pattern here. A very valid Gartley bearish Gartley pattern as well. The measurement are also clear. And then if you look at technical analysis wise, we have a very good level of what we call a kind of a support trend line. You can see that this support trend line is holding, and but right now price has broken through this support or trend line. You can see how price has broken through this support trend line. Okay, so this is under technical analysis. You can see how price has broken through this support trend line. Then if you look at it very, you can see that we have a lower time frame structure shift, and then we have a mitigation of what an order block. This other block has mitigated. In fact, price has also closed this imbalance. Okay, look at it here. Price tagged into this imbalance and then took out all this liquidity above this level, tap into this imbalance, and it's respected. You can see this bias exhaustion candle here. And then we have a lower time frame structure shift where look at where we have a lower time frame structure shift. You can see that within this support trend line, we're having a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, sweep of liquidity above, and a break of structure below, which gave us this change of character below. So we have what we call change of what character. So these are the confirmation that price is ready to drop below for. We don't know, we didn't hear, but there's possibility that price might drop on BTC USDT. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame to look at our target. Now for our target, we're looking at this bat pattern here. So our target should be S to A measurement. So we're looking at 0.382 and 0.618. So this is our we're looking at this level, and you can see we have a very valid level of, we have an order block within that level. We have a valid order block here. So I'll be expecting to move my stop loss to break even if price could get to this level, and then I will also be looking to get out of this position if at 0.618. But before then, I will get out because we have a valid level of an order block here, and this is price could just take this one as a structural liquidity, and then we'll have a very valid level of what other block here, which price could react from, and then this is what we're expecting on BTC USDT right now. So I'm actually on this sell. I've already gotten it on this sell right here. So we'll see what price will do from now to this week, because price may not really move that fast because we don't have any other commodities that are moving. So market will open by tomorrow being Monday. So we'll look at what will happen on BTC USD. But for now, this is all I'm looking at for BTC USDT. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share the video, and then drop any comments you have. I will definitely answer you. Wish you a wonderful trading opportunity, and bye for now.